Good morning, everybody. April the 28th, Friday. Everybody loves Friday, right? You like Fridays, Cole? You like Fridays? Huh? You like Fridays? He says, I don't care. I just brought them in from being outside. Went for a walk. And it's pretty warm out there. They're all pretty well exhausted. The other guys are out there. Yeah, it's pretty warm out there today, folks. It's supposed to be showers, I guess, this weekend. I was gonna purchase, not that horse. I was gonna purchase a Tennessee Walker. And I don't see that particular horse back there right now. It's over there. It's over there. Behind the trees. But I'm still debating. Still debating. I don't think I'm gonna venture into it. It's pretty warm out here in the summertime. Gets up to about 100 degrees, 90 to 100 degrees. Very humid, and it's difficult to keep a horse in that kind of condition. So I think I'm gonna pass on it. Lots of horses out here though. I'm still considering it though. These guys are going nuts. What's that? Say hi. You think I'm talking? You think I'm talking to Smokey? That's why you're being like you are? What do you want to do? Huh? You're being ornery, huh? He's jealous because he thought I was talking to Smokey when in fact I was talking about the horse. We can go see what the birds are doing right now. Oh, there's Sapphire. Hi, Sapphire. Good morning to YouTubers. Good morning to YouTubers. Say good morning to all my friends out there in YouTube land. No words? No speak? Okay, no speak. Let's see what these guys are doing. Oh, they're all out and about. They're all out and about in their little cages. See? I'll let you guys out in a little while. Want some music? And who do we have here? Oh, look, there I am in the camera, and in the mirror. Where's your friend at? Hey, where's your friend at? Where's your friend at? Oh, there. Hi, Precious. Hi, Precious. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. That's Precious. I haven't named my birds yet. My 3 little birds that I acquired, and those birds under the porch, they flew away. Those little babies. They got old enough and flew away, so I couldn't get them on my YouTube channel. Sorry about that. But I have plenty of birds that keep people company. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, see? They can say hi. having fun. You like birds out there in YouTube land? Well, give me some names. Give me some names that I can name my bird. I have 3 birds. I'll leave it up to you guys. That'd be cool. I'm not a very good filmer when it comes to holding the camera. This is not actually not a camera. Well, there's a camera in my phone. But Sapphire is having a ball. She's getting used to the other birds. So, that's about it for now. See, they watch a little cartoon. Keeps them busy. Yeah, I shouldn't put that on YouTube probably. I'll probably get arrested for that. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to do that. But anyway. He's in there getting some to eat. Yep. He's in there getting something to eat. Okay. That's it. I'll probably get flagged because I got that 10-second thing, not even 10-second, 2-second thing on there. Well, I'll see if I can upload it. Alright, bye.